know why you guys felt the need to open up on me. I really don't know why. Which am I looking at now? Is it 6? Is it 5? Is it center? Is it 2 or 1? Eh? Which one person looking? Ogbolo, which one is looking?
You are looking...
Is it 5?
They don't even determine it.
Is it 5? You look at now.
Yeah.
5? Better.
We'll come and remove it. People are not even righteous in any way.
Because we're not even come and be sure now. We don't even know the one that we are doing.
Talk to us, baby. Talk to us. Come on, let us know what's up. You know how we do it.
Reband. You know,
I just called to say I love you. I just called to say how much I care. I just called to say I love you. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, that was a really touching song. It was very touching. So touching a song. Wow. Such a touching song.
Wanna clap now? It's for a man to sing emotional.
I miss Annie. If I don't clap.
If you don't clap.
This Tunde just stubborn.
Tunde is just stubborn.
He just stubborn. He can never do. If you no go do am, he no go do am. He
Tunde,
just stubborn.
I don't know.
So stubborn a person.
Rebellious.
Why?
Rebellious
Why?
action. I don't know.
Why
maybe
so stubborn?
Maybe it's the 50%. Look at you.
Don't worry.
You are clapping after Jesus
Let's
Christ.
come out. Ooh.
You
Let's
clap. What?
You know, in this life, the way God is to create pausing.
Yes.
Well, you agree that I'm a fine girl.
Yes, no.
The only problem I have in this life is this my teeth.
What to
The arrangement
that
of my
fat
teeth.
one. But some people they like them.
The arrangement, not be only the fat. I see these 2 molars.
Now me I like.
Are you serious?
Now me I
And
like.
it can't. The arrangement of the teeth, it get as a
But they find when you smile.
it get as a B.
Some people know they know say some things the way they look for their body say now.
As a label.
Now some
As
people
a
they
problem.
like. Now. Like me, some people know they know say I get 1.5 teeth.
You get so that's true. I say I'm a
Some
fraud.
people they know. But it's what makes my smile in a different way.
Like for example, now I know somebody where they crazy about gap tooth.
Yes.
Hey,
yes.
if you see girl with gap tooth,
Yes.
all the intestine go just come out.
So you know how Sheyi face be? Where Sheyi get half NASCAR face.
Yeah.
He get half black, half yellow due to some issues. I no person will like all those kind of face.
We
All
no
those
like
kind of face
even
where
face, even tone.
you know the person no like make person teeth they arrange well. And 2, he dey like all those car face.
Are you for real right now?
So someone like Sheyi get big hope, you know, when
Wow.
it comes to someone like that. So
Anyway, so that is the thing. You cannot really have a complaint.
Yes.
You know, it's not really you can't really have a complaint.
But just understand, see, person love you the way you be.
Yes, there's always somebody for everybody. People love you the way you are. That is
Yeah,
the thing.
yeah.
Somebody like me now, I didn't really used to use all my teeth and smile until somebody say, what's wrong with you? So now I open the teeth anyhow. If you don't like it, that's really your business.
Exactly. Because somebody I love you
I
the way
didn't
you
really
are.
care much.
Yeah.
For
what?
So Tunde, with all your stubbornness, we love you.
Just make heaven shine.
That's what I'm trying to say.
That's all I'm concerned
That's
with.
all we are trying to say.
Just make sure say you go to heaven.
Welcome aboard.
Welcome aboard.
Give us Yandi Yan.
Yandi yan ogbolo, Mayowa, Yandi yan. Yes, so.
Hey, welcome back. Now, Ogbolo, this first gist when I want to talk. This one happened for, I think it's India, or I'm not sure where it happened, but
It happened.
it happened. This particular girl, in 1999,
Yeah.
she was 15 years old. Now, according to her, she said she been get boyfriend, their neighbor. You know, this is my neighbor, is my friend. We
Yes.
go to school together, is my friend. You understand?
Yes.
So, it's my neighbor, it's my friend. It's my neighbor, it's my friend. And Mona put this in for Ogbolo face. I like in glass. I love in glass. His glass is such
Yes,
a...
it's a very, very, you know, very
it's a very
okay.
peppery glass.
You understand?
What they are saying,
in the
right?
reflection, they don't worry. Now, we know what they talk.
Okay, anyway, so this particular, you see them, yeah, I think it's all these Korea people. So this particular girl, in 1999, she was 15 years old. So, but she talks, said, look, I've been getting one boyfriend, our neighbor. Now he can say, okay, come, we could go sightseeing with my friends. You know, she feels, say, I trust them, nothing where they won't do me. Now they carry her, go far, go put her for inside one village, come force her to marry somebody that is twice her age. Apparently, the man was 30 when they force him to marry him. Apparently, they go down collect money. Then force him to marry him. So as they force him to marry him, Ahua na be the girl name. Ahua, as them force am to marry that one, she born 2 pikin for the boy. And you know, say that kind of one, they go hide them. They no go what make she come out. They go the police am. They can't, you know. So she can't say she sneak one day, write letter, give one of their neighbor where she see, where she knows that they live for their village. She give them the woman wicked. For 5 years, she kept that letter. She no gree give the girl family. For 5 years, she kept the letter. So as she can't keep the letter, later she can't say, my conscience no gree me. She can't give the family. As soon as they give the family involve police, now they can't go bring the girl come. You can't know the funny thing, be say the parents can't talk, say, we know say they no kidnap her, because it not be like kidnap. So we just feel, say, maybe she run away, maybe she go come back. In fact, our own be say, maybe, you know, parents, it better make your pikin died than make they say he lost. You understand? Say they don't find them, nothing where they never do. So they hide her for there. She must not come out. She must not this for 17 years.
So now by force.
Now that woman.
Marriage.
Yes. Now that means that woman. This thing. She feel no go through all this the way she go through. If that woman had given her parents the letter. Earlier. But now this now after 17 years. She kept it for 5 years.
But last. The time between when the girl come out and when she can reunite with the family.
17 years.
17 years.
Yes.
Oh blood. Oh Lord. Let's also be very careful, Sha, you know, because things are happening.
Yes.
Things are happening.
Be careful.
Things are be very, very, very
It may not
careful.
be around you, but things are happening.
Things are happening.
Be careful.
Happening. So please, parents, you see, that parenting work, you know they finish.
No, they finish.
You know, you don't feel, and the youths nowadays, make I even talk to us. You understand? We don't always feel say, no, not be, of course. You know, many of us always feel say, we don't grow, we can take care of ourselves.
I don't need you anymore. I'm old enough to take care of myself. I can make my decisions, Daddy. I don't need you, Mommy. You need them.
They kidnap mature adults.
Leave them now.
They kidnap mature adults.
You don't know.
They kidnap old person.
You don't know this thing.
Who are you? So please, for you the young people outside there, all of us, you know they ever grow past your parents.
True.
Mama go tell us something, say, no matter where you go, where okra, draw rich. They go bring her. And no be okra. But they'll say they will draw come down.
Come down.
They must still pluck them. They must still draw. So if you like, say you don't grow reach one place, say you don't too big.
You don't grow past person.
You don't grow past person way born. You not get how.
That's the thing.
So somehow when your parents they talk, see put ear for ground.
Your age don't feel grow catch their own.
I don't see mama we slap her 40-year-old son.
Not today.
Not
today.
The kind of react because mama we born you and mama we born you. So let's also make sure that we also adhere to our parents and their instructions. Right.
After all, the Holy Book says, obey your parents and live long.
Yes.
Simple.
For your own good, though.
For your own
not
good.
be anything. Now, principle of life. Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, in this giant age, people are still doing this kind of thing. For inside Niger State, this particular man, they call him Bello Abubakar Masaba Mbida. Okay, now Bida man.
Masaba Mbida.
Masaba Mbida man.
Bida. Masaba Mbida.
Masaba Mbida.
Yes.
Okay, but his name is Bello Abubakar. All right, so now he gets over 90 wives. Oga Bello. He can't get 133 children. Oga don't from village now.
Haba.
This man don't work for a lifetime.
133.
For a life, the guy don't work. So now, the court say the man don't die you. Now the man fall out and say, nah lie you, say never die you. Say see that alive, say that the work of the work of people the way they wish am bad luck. Now he talk say he don't die because of the plenty things the way he don't carry for life. He say I'm neither sick nor dead. Masaba earlier married 107 women, but later divorced 10 of them. Out of his 185 children, only 133 are still alive, and they live for Bida. For Niger State. Oga Bello. Oga Bello. You are Solomon is your mentor. You are a real protege.
It's you that Uncle I want to sing one song for you. I want more wobe.
Yeah.
I want more wobe.
Yeah.
Mo gbọ́ information.
Yeah.
Nínú radio.
Yeah.
Àti wá gbọ́ nínú news.
Yeah.
Wọ́n ní sá ẹ̀yin bímọ sá. Ẹ̀yin fẹ́yàwó sá. That is the thing.
Oga Bello po.
Designator.
Oga Bello.
No, it's okay.
Even Abraham ain't got nothing on you.
You know, ain't got nothing on you. Come on, father of many nations, ain't got nothing on you.
I still want Abraham, but from there they distribute.
Oga Bello no be boss, na boss.
133 children.
Boss.
And what is
185
5 before? And it's 185
so
before.
now like 52 don't die.
Yeah. Wow. Instead we don't bury plenty. At the same time, we don't do plenty celebration. Say wife don't born.
This they don't know again. Are you my type?
97
Oh, yeah, my
wives.
type.
97 wives.
Wow.
And he go still get side chicks, so. We no agree marry. 97 wives.
No, 107 actually. He divorced 10.
Bello!
This is I want beat Solomon record now.
Our guy Bello. No. Solo, that's solo. Yeah. Nobody fits where.
That means solo every day. Oh my God, I love you.
No, Solo gets 6 I love you. Wait, just now. You get one of our fans. Because they ask me, say, what is the meaning of I love you? I say, ask my. You know, she got to say, you said the I say, it means shopping rice.
Yes.
Finish. If you cannot understand,
that is a concern. You know.
Solomon gets 700 wives
you know, say Solo,
and 300 side chicks.
You know, say Solo, if you see him wife today, if one of the wives see her today, you go ask wait like 5 years.
Yes,
based on time, like 5 years to see bros. So you got to use your time well. Now, so you be with this man. If now you day session today in room today, you go guys wait for like 1 year
before your own tongue go reach.
Before your own tongue go reach again. You understand? So that 1 year now, if you go nurse child, be busy.
Don't be busy. But that one day where you see, that one day where you see opportunity.
Use it well.
Oh no, use
Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh,
differences, yes.
When I don't go carry a come on and I begin talk rubbish now.
Or to talk rubbish now. Before
I go carry a come on
you like bad things.
Continue. Leave us more. I'm a little confused.
Tunde.
Tunero. Today I've joined bad gang.
Yeah, joined bad guy.
Yeah, joined secret court.
He's a bad guy.
Yeah.
He likes to the.
I try to help you, but it's more difficult.
Yes.
Child of the world.
Yes.
You are spoiled to the cop. I've joined bad gang.
Bad gang guy. You know they had that. Una they see how.
Because you know, say I like this song. Go say, bad gang. Nade.
Comb your hair.
Bad gang.
Sleeping outside. Very tightly.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh yeah, final gist.
So talking about bad gang, this
Yeah.
particular mother carry her pikin go barber place. Now the barber post the picture of the hairstyle where the mama say make post for them. The hairstyle tough. He said make it cut him one hairstyle. Ask me why. He said because you know the hear word. He dey thief from me and he dey do anyhow for school.
Oh boy.
Cut am this hairstyle. By the time he waka for the people will laugh am. He go no say to the thief, to the do gangster no be the way, and to the do anyhow no be am. He carry him 11-year-old pikin. Can you imagine? He say he don't dey thief. He dey act up in school. He's stealing from me, stealing from his mates, and acting up in school. So I told them to give him this haircut. So that by the time he gets laughed at a few times, he will understand that it's not good to be a bully and to be a thief. I like this, mama.
But no go change him.
He fits. You know, say he's 11. Embarrassment. You know, he gets some kind of embarrassments where children
Okay,
can
at
remember.
11, Sha.
At 11 years old.
But their own 11, no be our own 11. No. Their own 11 don't already maturity.
But at least the mother understands that he deserves a walk of shame for what he do.
That one join.
You understand?
That one join. This one.
This will be like something what I do.
Wakama Road. Mommy.
I just dey pity my children. Because this thing is something what I do.
No, me, I feel help you spoil them.
That's something what I do.
If you just want to spoil your children a bit, you bring them
I go placard. I stole yesterday afternoon. Or I disobeyed mommy yesterday. You go wear them around school. By the time they laugh you, don't go do them again.
Uncle me.
Okay.
Mommy disgrace me. What did you do? I just took something in this school. It's my friend's own. I just borrow it. Next time, don't borrow it. Don't borrow it here. Next time, have your own here. Yeah, come.
I go beat you and the pikin. You and the pikin, I go beat you off now together. You never know anything.
I don't know if he get one baby want me that year.
Okay.
He said, that girl, she was too hopeful. I'm saying, if we get married, I say, auntie, calm down. We are dating. He said, if we get married and you spoil the children, I can walk away. I said, what worry this one?
I never even think go that place. And why you're thinking so far? Your thinking is quite elongated. And why such a long thinking?
She's not born already for her mind. Auntie, we never even put ring, never even engage you. Nothing, don't they think
we never even think calm. We never know where they say ring.
He say, if we get married, Auntie know the if anything. Let us be boyfriend and girlfriend first. What's wrong with you?
Let's get to know.
Before we come and be jumping, breathe.
Oh, Lord God. Oh, wow.
So
children, though. Children.
One day, one of these days, very soon, when God starts to do so many things for us, we'll gather there, come the TV show, what they do,
up and down.
Yes. So we're believing God for as many of us, who are trusting God for this.
But I just want to warn you, Uncle Ogolo, mommy didn't give me her card to go out. If they born you, give and key. If they born you,
I'm not going to give her a key, but we'll go ride together. We'll go ride together.
We'll go ride
problem.
Together.
I love children.
So that when I call you, go say, Mom, I'm with Uncle Michael. Uncle Michael, you and Uncle Michael, come and chop cane. Come and chop cane.
That's why I need very understanding wife will go tough with children. Because me, I get 10 years to spoil
He go spoil pikin.
I get 10 years to spoil pikin.
You like this?
I get 10 years. But I go beat you. Just like the way my papa train me.
Bitters.
No, my papa balance the two shall. No, papa let's try for our own. If he beat you now, turn you, pa. Give her like 4 hours.
He go call you back.
Come. You go carry us come out. Come go trip in that beach or hotel or what thing.
Something.
You go flex you. You can't forget the while. That's so that trainer. That's so my own training go take beat you. I go beat you. I'll still bring you.
You go see where people go. They say, "Make we offend daddy now." You know, if he just beat us small, but he will take us to go and buy ice cream. Oh yeah, you say no. When he call you, say no, so that he will beat you. Then he will take you to go and buy ice cream.
If I give you correct conk, you know those called braga. You go see pimples. Boop. My finger going to show for your head. Laugh the laugh.
Oh Lord, real quick, please. Thank you very much.
Laugh the laugh.
That is so cute.
Me and dogs, the love I get for them different. But until they come out that dog teeth before their body will calm down.
All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy at Wazobia Paddy. Don't forget, so if you enter inside that level, at what? My bone. Who hit your bone?
My bone straight.
Wow. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I didn't know my bone was that volatile.
You don't know. Recently, I've been bony.
Wow. At Wazobia Paddy at Wazobia Paddy. Follow us individually at Mayowa Ekpo on Instagram, at Ogbolo on Instagram, Mayowa Lambe Ogbolo on Twitter, youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG. Search for Paddy. The same goes for facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG. You go see our post for inside. And don't forget to vote for me for the Eloy Awards. All you need to do, now make it just go www.exquisiteMag.com/vote Eloy 2016. Go on top the category of best OAP on air personality. Click on my name and click vote. End of story. Or text Mayowa or text Eloy space Mayowa to 35070.
Do it now. Do it now.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.